My name is Aleksi Partanen. I work as a data architect and a team lead at Cloud1. I lead a team of 10 persons. There are data architects and data engineers in my team. Leading the team takes around 10 to 20% of my work time. The other time I'm allocated to the customer projects and I work as a data architect and a data engineer in those projects. Since early age, I have been very interested in technology in general. My first computer was like my dad's old computer. I think it was like Windows 95 or something, and there I was able to play some games with it, and I really liked that, and that kind of fascinated me a lot. When I was studying in the Aalto University School of Business, I soon realized that those traditional business subjects were not for me. And then there was this very interesting subject called Information and Service Management that really fascinated me, and I decided to study that. And it was really heavily focused on IT management. I think my earlier interest in technology drove me towards studying that information and service management. And from there on, I realized that IT is really interesting. And then I took some coding classes and realized that programming is really interesting. It was during my bachelor studies when I really wanted to land a job in IT. I think I sent like 20 or 30 different applications to different companies, but only one basically replied and asked me to come to the job interview. Then I was able to get this data warehouse developer trainee position from that company, and that was my first job in IT. I received a lot of support from the older colleagues at my work, and they really taught me a lot of things about like programming and data pipelines and data platforms and those kind of things. Almost immediately it clicked, and I realized that this is something that I really want to do as a job. I also started to study more IT-related courses and took more programming courses from the technical side of Aalto University as well. Then I landed a job interview at Cloud1 and managed to get that job there. Our company Cloud1 is solely focused on Microsoft technologies, so we use like the Microsoft Data Platform Stack, which means like the Azure Data Platform Stack and also Microsoft Fabric. From the senior level colleagues at Cloud1, I really learned how to build these state-of-the-art data platforms. The best part of my job is that I get to solve these real-world problems each day that provide real business value for my customers. Even though my work title is a data architect, I still do quite a lot of data engineering, and I'm involved in the hands-on making of the data pipelines as well, not only the design. My typical day is quite full of meetings since I'm leading a team and I also have an architect position in a few different client projects. After a few years at Cloud1, I decided to start a YouTube channel that is dedicated to teaching Microsoft Data Platform topics to other people. It has been really a joy to pass on that knowledge to others that I have learned from my senior colleagues at work.